Ever pondered the importance of butterflies to our ecosystem? These delicate creatures, seemingly so fragile, hold an integral role in the natural world. They bring a touch of magic to our landscapes with their vibrant colors and delicate fluttering, but their significance goes far beyond their aesthetic appeal. The butterfly, a member of the order Lepidoptera, is known for its scale-covered wings, a unique feature that shimmers in the sunlight and captivates the eye. These scales, arranged in intricate patterns, give each species its distinctive appearance and contribute to the butterfly's ability to blend into its environment or conversely to stand out vividly. Equally fascinating is the butterfly's proboscis, a long, flexible tube that uncoils to sip nectar from flowers. This efficient design allows butterflies to feed from a variety of plants, ensuring their survival in diverse habitats. But perhaps the most captivating aspect of these creatures is their life cycle. Butterflies undergo a dramatic transformation, known as metamorphosis, which sees them change from crawling caterpillars to elegant winged insects. This process is a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity, a testament to the power of growth and change. However, the butterfly's life cycle is not merely a spectacle of nature, it is a vital part of ecosystems, contributing to the pollination of plants and the propagation of species. Butterflies also play a critical role in the food chain, serving as prey for a variety of birds, bats, and other insects. Their disappearance from an ecosystem can have dramatic effects, disrupting the balance of life and impacting other species. So the next time you see a butterfly fluttering in your garden, take a moment to appreciate not just its beauty, but also its vital role in our world. Butterflies, with their intricate patterns and graceful flight, symbolize transformation and renewal, captivating hearts worldwide. Did you know butterflies play a crucial role in plant reproduction? Yes, beyond their mesmerizing beauty and grace, butterflies serve as diligent pollinators, helping to maintain the diversity and vitality of plant life. As they flutter from flower to flower in search of sweet nectar, butterflies inadvertently perform a vital function: they transfer pollen. Pollen, the fine powdery substance produced by flowering plants, is a crucial element in the process of fertilization. Each time a butterfly lands on a flower, its body becomes dusted with pollen. As the butterfly moves to the next bloom, some of this pollen is deposited, allowing the flower to produce seeds and eventually new plants. The long, coiled proboscis of a butterfly, which serves as a drinking straw to sip nectar, is particularly well-suited to reach into deep blossoms. This means that butterflies can pollinate flowers that bees, another group of important pollinators, cannot reach. Butterflies are not as efficient as bees at moving pollen, but they make up for this by covering greater distances. They visit a wider range of flowers, thus spreading pollen over larger areas. This leads to greater genetic diversity among plants, which in turn makes ecosystems more resilient. The role of butterflies as pollinators is particularly vital in certain habitats. For example, in tropical rainforests and alpine meadows, butterflies are often the main pollinators. The plants in these habitats have evolved alongside butterflies, developing features like bright colors, strong fragrances, and deep tubes to attract these winged visitors. Butterflies also contribute to our food supply. They pollinate a variety of crops, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. So the next time you enjoy an apple or a handful of almonds, spare a thought for the humble butterfly that helped make it possible. Their quest for nectar leads to inadvertent pollen transfer, making them indispensable for the survival and diversity of plant species. So, the next time you see a butterfly, remember, it's not just a pretty sight, it's also a tireless worker, helping to keep our natural world diverse and vibrant. Butterflies are more than just pretty creatures, they are the environmental health indicators. These delicate creatures, with their multi-hued wings and fluttering flight, play a crucial role in assessing the state of our environment. Let's delve deeper into how butterflies serve as bioindicators, providing valuable insights into the health and stability of ecosystems. Bioindicators are living organisms that give us an idea of the health of an ecosystem. A thriving butterfly population signifies a healthy ecosystem with a rich diversity of plant and animal life. The secret behind this is the sensitivity of butterflies to changes in their environment. They are especially susceptible to shifts in climate, alterations in their habitat, and exposure to pollution. When these changes occur, Butterflies are often among the first creatures to react, signaling that something is amiss in the ecosystem. For instance, a decline in butterfly populations could be an early warning sign of habitat degradation. Their absence might indicate the presence of pollutants harmful not only to butterflies but also to other species, including humans. On the other hand, an increase in butterfly numbers could signify that a habitat is flourishing, providing a diverse range of food and shelter resources. Climate change also leaves an imprint on butterfly populations. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can disrupt their life cycles and migration patterns, providing crucial information about the impacts of global warming. The beauty of using butterflies as bioindicators lies in their ubiquity. They are found in various habitats worldwide, from the lush rainforests of the tropics to the arid deserts, from grasslands to mountaintops, and even in our own backyards. This wide distribution makes them an excellent tool for monitoring environmental health on a global scale. In essence, butterflies are like the canaries in the coal mine of our ecosystems. They help us understand the intricate web of life and the delicate balance that sustains it. Their sensitivity to environmental changes makes them valuable indicators of the health of our ecosystems. By paying attention to these fluttering, colorful creatures, we can gain valuable insights into the state of our planet and work towards its preservation. Despite their importance, butterflies face numerous threats in today's world. These delicate creatures, symbols of transformation and renewal, are under siege from a variety of sources that are often the result of human activities. Firstly, habitat loss is a significant threat to butterflies. Urban development, agriculture, and deforestation can lead to the destruction of butterfly habitats, leaving them without the resources they need to survive. As we continue to build and expand, we must remember that we share this world with creatures like butterflies, and their homes are just as important as ours. Pesticide use is another major threat to butterflies. These chemicals, intended to protect crops from pests, can have lethal effects on non-target species like butterflies. Even sublethal exposure can impact butterflies' ability to feed, reproduce, and navigate, affecting their survival and population dynamics. Climate change also poses a significant threat to butterflies. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more unpredictable, butterflies, which are sensitive to changes in climate, can struggle to adapt. These shifts can disrupt their life cycles, alter their habitats, and lead to shifts in the distribution of butterfly species. Invasive species, too, pose a threat to butterflies. These non-native plants, animals, and insects can outcompete native species for resources, alter habitats, and even prey on butterflies and their larvae. The threats butterflies face are not isolated. They are interconnected, often amplifying each other. For instance, climate change can exacerbate habitat loss, and pesticide use can make butterflies more susceptible to diseases and predators. These threats can disrupt butterfly populations and have cascading effects on ecosystems and biodiversity. As butterflies decline, so too can the plants they pollinate and the birds and other animals that eat them. This can lead to a domino effect, impacting the health and stability of entire ecosystems. Butterflies, with their vibrant colors and graceful flight, bring joy and beauty to our world. But more than that, they are crucial components of our ecosystems, acting as pollinators, bioindicators, and food for other wildlife. The threats they face are a stark reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world for generations to come. As stewards of the environment, it is our responsibility to protect these delicate creatures. Conservation is more than just a buzzword. It's a commitment, a promise to future generations that we will do our utmost to preserve the natural world in all its varied beauty. In the context of butterflies, conservation takes on a variety of forms. One of the most significant ways we can help these vibrant insects is by preserving their natural habitats. Forests, meadows, wetlands, and even urban green spaces can serve as homes for butterflies, offering them the food and shelter they need to thrive. Conservation organizations across the globe are working tirelessly to protect these habitats from destruction, ensuring that butterflies have a safe place to live and breed. Another crucial aspect of butterfly conservation involves reducing the use of pesticides. These chemicals, often used in agriculture and gardening, can be harmful to butterflies, affecting their health and reducing their populations. By opting for natural pest control methods and promoting the use of organic farming practices, we can limit the exposure of butterflies to these harmful substances. Planting native flowers is another simple yet effective way to support butterfly conservation. Native plants provide butterflies with the nectar they need for energy and serve as host plants for their caterpillars. By cultivating native flowers in our gardens, parks, and green spaces, we can create mini habitats that support the life cycle of butterflies. Moreover, education plays a vital role in butterfly conservation. By teaching people about the importance of butterflies, the threats they face, and the ways we can help, we can inspire more individuals to take action and contribute to conservation efforts. Conservation is a collective effort. It requires the participation of everyone, from scientists and conservationists to gardeners and nature enthusiasts, and even you and me. By working together, we can ensure that butterflies continue to grace our world with their beauty and inspire wonder in future generations.